We're going to install VMware's ESX Server 4.0, and we're going to install it in graphical mode. I've cut out portions of the video to speed up the video. The actual install takes about 30 to 40 minutes. Okay, we'll accept the license agreement and continue on next. We don't need any custom drivers. We can load the drivers and continue. Enter the serial number later. It shows your network adapter. We're going to do standard setup. We don't need to set up any different hard drive configurations. Just the default one will be fine. Time zone. We'll use time.windows.com as our NTP server, and we'll synchronize it. And put in our root password and then confirm our root password. If you wanted to add any extra users, you would do it here just by clicking the add button. Okay, this part of the install is the part that takes the longest, and it'll be about 30 minutes. Okay, the first reboot takes the longest. Setting up all the configuration that you just set up. Once it is finished restarting, it'll stop the logo screen. It'll tell you the IP address to download the client to access and manage your ESX server. Okay, and once you've gotten to the browser, we can access and download the tool. Enter the IP address here. It will tell you that the SL certificate is not valid. And you can just ignore and continue it. The vSphere client takes about 10 minutes to install. have tried to install the client on Windows 7 and Vista, and it seems to give me an error when trying to connect to the actual server. That's why I'm using XP here. All the default values for the install are fine. Okay, once installed, we can open up the vSphere client. We'll access it by IP address, and we'll log in as root and use the password that we used in the setup. There's the SSL certificate again, just ignore it. And once connected, it'll show you the inventory, roles for different users, and the logs. The main portion that you'll need to pay attention to is the inventory. That's where you add, remove, manage all your virtual machines that are on the ESX server. Once we have all that set up, we can go ahead and make virtual machines, and that'll be my next video.